It's Sly on Expose Info TV once again. I hope this video meets you well at this very hour. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, on this channel I make video on how to make money online with cryptocurrency, telecommunication and tech. I do review and share news around the world. So if you are just coming across, please subscribe to this channel. Do well to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the little bell so that you can be aware whenever I drop a new content on this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to claim 27 BTC Mini, which has been listed on PanCakeSwap already. So please pay attention to every part of this video as I will be guiding you, and you claim this airdrop for free on your Trust wallet to 27 BTC Mini, which has been listed on PanCakeSwap, and you can even claim more if you watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to be part of the USDT winner. Follow the procedure for claiming the giveaway. You can see the instruction on the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel and follow the instruction. Send the email, send all the information that I ask you to send so that you can be part of the final selection. So guys, we'll go straight to the business of today, which is on how to claim 27 BTC Mini on your Trust wallet. So what I want to do right now is I want to go back to my Trust wallet so that we'll begin the process. Guys, here we are right on Trust wallet. So first thing I want to do is I want to click at this icon at the top right corner of my screen. Then I want to add the custom token first before we proceed to the claiming of the airdrop. So I'll go back to my notepad so that I can copy the contact address and also add it to my Trust wallet first. So I'm back now to my notepad, so I want to copy the contact address. As you can see, the token name is BTC Mini, then the symbol is BTC and the decimal is 6. So I'll go back to my Trust wallet to add it. Now that I'm back to my Trust wallet, what I want to do first is I want to scroll down to the last part. I want to scroll down and click on add custom token. So what I want to do is I want to change this. I want to change this to Ethereum Smart Chain. Then I want to paste in the address. After pasting the address, then I want to put in the name, which is BTC Mini. Then I'll put the symbol, which is BTC. Then I'll put the decimal, which is 6. So you fill in the contact address. You see it from the Telegram group. You fill in the full name, which is BTC Mini. Then you fill the symbol, which is BTC. Then you fill the decimal, which is 6. Then you click on done. Oh, sorry guys, I need to make my balance visible right here. Okay, so what I will do next is I will go straight. Okay, so right now I'm having 0 BTC. So what I want to do right now is I want to go back to the notepad to copy the airdrop link. Then I'll go to the DApp section of my Trust wallet, so we claim this 27 BTC right together. So right now I go back to my notepad and I want to copy the contact address, the airdrop link. So I want to copy this airdrop link right here. So I'll copy it, then I'll go back to my notepad to paste it. So right on my Trust wallet app, I'll go to the DApp section and I'll paste it right here. Then I'll search for it. Okay, so as you can see, if you see it here, claim premium airdrop, listing price 1 BTC Mini equal to $5, and you can claim up to 25 of this. So if you are having 25 of this BTC Mini, you'll be having $125, right? So what you want to do first is you want to change the network. You want to change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain, because when we were adding the contact address to the Trust wallet, we have to change it from Ethereum network to Smart Chain. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the little bell so that you can be aware whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Okay, so what you want to do next is you make sure you connect your Trust wallet to the BSC Smart Chain network. Then you come right here. So you need to join the Telegram channel to claim this 27 BTC. So what you do right here is they said to get BTC Mini, please join this Telegram group. So you click on the link, though it's not necessary. So BTC Mini, share your link to receive 35 BTC. So for every person you share your link with, you get 35 BTC. Okay, so before we claim it, I want us to go back to PanCakeSwap. Okay, let's say BTC Mini. Let's search for BTC Mini. So okay, let's check it out on BTC BS scan. So we have 21 trillion of this BTC, and we have just 14,000 addresses. So they've transferred 31,000. You see, people are claiming this. 35 seconds. So right here we have the information, the decimal, the contact address on BS scan. So what we want to do now is we want to go back to paste in the airdrop link once again and claim this. So I want to claim this right now. So first thing we want to do is you want to join the Telegram channel, which is not necessary. You want to share your link to receive 35 BTC, which is a way to earn more BTC. So now you click on this claim 25 token worth $125, because the value of one BTC right here is, as you can see here, is $5. So when you claim 25 of this, that means you are having $125. Then this has been listed on PanCakeSwap already. So you click on this button, so you claim it. So okay, I've not connected my network, so I'll go back, change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Then I'll click on claim 25 token worth $125. So when I click on that, it requires little BNB for you to get this approved. So right now I don't have BNB in this wallet, so I'll use the other wallet. So you click on approve right here, then you claim your 27 BTC right on your Trust wallet. So one more thing I want us to do is I want us to go back to Etherscan, so that we'll go back to Etherscan right here. So we'll copy the contact address from here. So I copy the contact address, then I'll go back to PancakeSwap. So I'll go back to PancakeSwap. Please pay attention. I'll go back to PancakeSwap. So what I want to do right now is I want to change this. I want to swap this up. Okay. So I will have to import. Okay, BTC Mini, good. So I will import it right here. Okay, I understand. Then I import it. So what I want to do right now is I want to put in the let's say you claim 25 of this BTC Mini, then you'll be having this value of BNB right in your Trust wallet. So if you share your link with some of your friends, so you'll be having more of this BTC Mini. You have 35 BTC Mini when you share your link with your friends. So what you want to do now is you want to claim the BTC Mini first, then you generate your referral link, you share with your friend, then you claim more BTC Mini. As you can see, that is already on PancakeSwap, so you don't want to miss out on this. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to smash the red subscribe button, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments at the comment box. So thank you guys, see you in the next video, love you all.